love, welcome back to a new video on my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'd like to do an unboxing with you for a brand that I have only discovered recently but that I'm really excited about. So the brand is called BIWAKO and it's a modern Japanese heritage pearl brand that I only discovered recently. So they reached out to me and they offered to send me one of their absolutely gorgeous products, and it's got such a fascinating history that I'd like to share with you before we get into the unboxing. So it all started with the Nishimura family, who has been farming freshwater pearls in Japan's Lake Biwa for over 3 generations, and in 1976 they decided to put together all the knowledge and expertise that they accumulated from working in the pearl supply chain industry and put it together to create BIWAKO. BIWAKO was not a brand that was available to consumers only until recently, when the founder, which I would highly recommend reading her story because it's just so fascinating how she's carrying the family tradition forward. So the founder's name is Aiko, and she decided to make BIWAKO a consumer-facing brand because it wasn't available to consumers up until now. And I think the way she's carrying her family tradition forward is just so incredibly fascinating, and like I said, I recommend reading up on her story because I just think it's really nice. So her mission with the brand is to provide consumers with sustainable, timeless and classic heirlooms that can be passed down to generations, which I think is absolutely fantastic. And before we get started into the unboxing, I also want to mention that their farming processes are sustainable and they prioritize responsible farming practices to ensure the well-being of the mussels and the entire farming ecosystem. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing because I'm super curious to see what it looks like. It's arrived. I had a little sneak peek, but I actually haven't looked inside. I can just see the outer packaging. So I'm also extremely curious to see what the stunning piece that I picked up looks like. So the first thing that you get when you open the bag is this gift bag, and it comes with this red strap, and then it comes in this massive box. How gorgeous is this? I mean, the packaging is absolutely beautiful and it looks very well made and premium. And it just has the brand name on the front, so it says BIWAKO in red. From all the packages that I've ever received that have come through the mail, this is probably the best packaging and the most luxurious. I just think it looks absolutely stunning. So let me take this out. Okay, so if you take this off, this is what this looks like. Okay, so let's first open this because I'm really curious. What is it? I feel so bad because the packaging is so nice. I don't even want to open it. I don't want to ruin the packaging. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Let me just get this out of the way. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful shell. So when you first open it, it was this gorgeous shell and it came with this note. So the note reads, "The global aquatic industry produces up to 7 million tons of discarded shell each year, making a significant impact on the environment. However, small changes can make a big difference by transforming these shells into jewelry plates." Oh my gosh, it's a jewelry plate! And other decorative items. We give them a second life and help to reduce waste. This is so cool. I actually needed one. I needed one so bad. This is incredible. Did I read "and help to reduce waste"? This creates an eco-friendly life for us and a better planet for our children, and that's what BIWAKO is all about. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, honestly. It's a jewelry plate. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? I just love this whole concept. I love that they're trying to be sustainable. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. It's so cool. I've never had anything like this. And I feel like it makes for a really cool decorative piece as well. This will look really cute on my nightstand. And then I'll be able to put my jewelry in it because I actually needed something like this. So that's really cool. And once that's out of the way, you can see this is also incredibly nicely packaged and decorated. It's just so luxurious. So I'll first take this out, which is a cute little envelope. So we first have this. Okay, so this basically is the care guide, and it says never wear pearls while swimming and showering. Keep pearls away from intense heat. Wear pearls after applying personal care products. Stay away from cooking vapors. Avoid layering pearls and crushing them against other objects. Store pearls in a separate case or velvet pouch. And it also gives you some cleaning instructions, which is really cool. And then what else do we have in this little envelope? Oh my gosh, I genuinely cannot believe the care and attention. It's a handwritten note. Stop. Okay, so it says, am I really cringy? I'm just so grateful. I did not expect, I mean, I could tell the brand is incredible just from reading their story. I think their story is just, you're definitely buying a heirloom, and you're also buying into the expertise of them having worked in the pearl industry for such a long time. This is just so special. I absolutely love a handwritten note. I just feel like it makes the whole delivery a lot more personal and special. So thank you very much for that. So now that is out of the way, I now need to open it and undo this little bow. Honestly, how special is the packaging? It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so exquisite. And this is the box. So before I open it and show you, I'll tell you what I picked out. So I picked out their wave pearl choker. Oh my gosh, so this is just so special, honestly. So when you open the box up, it looks like this. So there is even more packaging, and then inside there's this gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous velvet pouch. How beautiful is this? And now let's open it together. So this is how you open it. I've never had something that's been so beautifully packaged. Oh my gosh, look how exquisite this looks. How stunning is this? So let me read you a couple of details. So this is their wave pearl choker. So the chain length is 18 inches. The pearl size is 12 to 13 millimeters. The metal is 18 karat gold vermeil, which you can see here. And the pearl type is Ikecho Biwa Baroque, which is Shiratama, and that's a white jade. How beautiful, how absolutely beautiful. It's got such a classic design, and you can tell that the pearls are really high quality. I really love the luster and color of the pearls. It just looks so special. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is it? The color and the luster of the pearls, how stunning. I love this red detail as well. It just makes it look so elegant and exquisite. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's such a statement piece. It just looks so elegant and refined. My goodness, I'll come in close so you can see what it looks like. It's such an incredibly beautiful necklace. I absolutely adore the way it looks. I think it definitely dresses up the outfit. They also sell other pieces on their website that I'd recommend you check out because they're just so beautiful. They have a beautiful bracelet that's in a very similar style to this. They also have a couple of different other styles in necklaces, and they have earrings as well, which their pair of earrings, one of their earrings, is just so incredibly gorgeous. It reminds me a lot of this necklace, so I think those earrings will look absolutely incredible as well. I'll post a picture on the screen now so you can see what they look like. I believe that the quality of the pearls and the packaging and the experience that you have when purchasing from the brand is definitely worth the higher price point. This is a piece that you're gonna have in your jewelry collection for a really long time. I'll make sure to leave all the links to their website in the description section down below if you're interested to check them out, which I think you should because they have such a beautiful brand and such a beautiful story behind the brand. And I will also make sure to link this necklace as well. Thank you so much to BIWAKO for sending me this beautiful necklace. I absolutely love it. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. As usual, any form of interaction with my videos helps me so much, way more than you can imagine. So if you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to show me some support. Until next time, take care and bye for now.